Welcome to SSR Pharma Media, your trusted source for pharma knowledge. Decode the pharmaceutics MCQs made simple. Today we are going to discuss about packaging of pharmaceuticals. Part 3. In that metals, papers, boards. We are going to discuss. Prepare, practice, succeed. So in the packaging material, packaging of pharmaceuticals. Part 1 we have already discussed, and part 2 also glass already we have discussed. So now we are going to discuss about part 3, plastic, metals, papers and boards. So let's study about the metal containers. Metals commonly used for packing material. Metals are used for the construction of containers. The metals commonly used for this purpose are aluminum, tin, plated steel, stainless steel, tin and lead. So next, collapsible metal tubes. So for the preparation of collapsible metal tubes, aluminum, tin, lead are used. And about tin tubes, it's compatible with wide range of products preferred in pharmaceutical industry, and it's very costly. It's a disadvantage. And aluminum tubes, so it's lightweight, used for toothpaste and creams, and less expensive than tin. And lead tubes are cheapest metal, but not used due to risk of lead poisoning. It's a disadvantage. An internal lining of collapsible tubes used when product is not compatible with bare metals. So metal tubes are example tin. So lining material, wax type linings are used mainly to, it is used for the water based products. And aluminum metal tubes, so lining materials are epoxy and vinyl resins, and it is used better product protection. Move into the questions. Which metal containers property makes it suitable for light sensitive pharmaceutical products? So option C, so permeability to light. Metal containers are permeable to light, protecting light sensitive drugs. Metal containers can be made rigid and unbreakable by, so option C, impact extrusion. So its impact extrusion is used to produce rigid unbreakable metal containers. Which collapsible tube material is most preferred in the pharmaceutical industry due to wide product compatibility? So option B, tin. So tin tubes are preferred because they are compatible with a wide range of pharmaceutical products. Collapsible tubes made of aluminum are mainly used for, so answer is option C, toothpaste and creams. So aluminum tubes are light in weight and commonly used for toothpaste and creams preparations. Lead collapsible tubes are not used for pharmaceutical packaging because of, option C, risk of lead poisoning. So lead poses a toxicity risk. Hence, lead tubes are avoided in pharmaceutical packaging. Epoxy and vinyl resins are used as lining materials for, option C, aluminum and collapsible tubes. So epoxy and vinyls are used to line aluminum tubes to protect the product from metal interaction. Wax type lining is most commonly used in collapsible tubes made of, option B, tin. So wax type linings are mainly used with tin collapsible tubes, especially for water based products, to prevent metal product interaction. Epoxy and vinyl resin linings are preferred for which collapsible tube material? So option D, aluminum. So epoxy and vinyl resins are used as a lining material for aluminum collapsible tubes to provide better protections to the product. Which combination of metal tubes and lining material is correct? So option C, tin and wax lining. So wax type linings are mainly used with the tin collapsible tubes, especially for water based products, to prevent metal product interaction. Epoxy and vinyl resin linings are preferred for which collapsible tube material? So option D, aluminum. So it is epoxy and vinyl resins are used as lining material for aluminum collapsible tubes to provide better protection to the products. So next is the paper and boards. So generally it is used for general use and forms. General use of this papers and boards. Papers and boards are widely used in pharmaceutical packaging. It is secondary packing material. It is used as a secondary packing material, provide additional mechanical protection. Forms of papers and board packings are cartons, boxes, envelopes, drums. And papers and boards are secondary packing material. Function is mechanical protections and handling conveniency, are not used as a primary container for liquids and solids, common with strips and blister packs. Paper and boards are mainly used in pharmaceutical packaging as, so option B, secondary containers. So papers and boards are mainly used as a secondary packaging to provide mechanical protection. The primary function of paper boards, cartons in pharmaceutical packaging is to, option C, provide mechanical protection. Paper boards, cartons protect inner containers from physical damage during handling and transport. Collapsible tubes of ointments and creams are packed in paper board cartons mainly to, option C, provide additional protection. Paperboard cartons offer additional mechanical protection to collapsible tubes. Liquid medicines up to which volumes are commonly packed in paperboard cartons? So option C, 500 ml. So liquid medicines in 500 ml and below are commonly packed in outer paper board carton. Slide paperboard boxes suitably lined are used for extemporaneous dispensing of, so option C, suppositories, pessaries and powders. So lined slides paperboard boxes are used for extemporaneous dispensing of suppositories, pessaries and powders. Paper and boards are mainly used in pharmaceutical packaging as, so answer in the comment box. So thank you. So join in our WhatsApp community. You'll get a hands-out material and you see in the YouTube channel playlist. YouTube playlist, you see, you will receive all the videos. Thank you. Like, subscribe and share.